So I'm going to give you some toilet repair tips that I know that is completely annoying, but it's extremely easy to fix. If this is loose, and no matter what you do, it won't flush. Oh, take the top off like I did. You just pull it off. It's sitting right there. Pull it up. Check this chain. This chain is attached to the flapper. And as you can see, it's moving up and down. If your toilet keeps running and running and running, just change the flapper. It's just 2 pieces of rubber. You just pull it off, undo this chain, put your new one on. The part is probably like $6. And long as you have slack and it's sealing right there, you can repair that. The second thing, if your toilet takes 15,000 years to fill up, I don't know why my dogs always carrying on with each other. Anyway, if it takes 1,000 years for it to fill up, this is called a fluid master. Very easy to change. You would take this piece, pull it completely off, or you can use the new one that comes with it and it just clips in right here. It's very simple. It fills it up and then it stops at a certain level. You turn the water off, which is down there, turn it all the way off. There's going to be a white nut right there. You can just take yourself a basic pair of pliers. Of course, you flush the toilet first. Make sure there's nothing in here. It could be a little bit in there, but it's not going to harm you. Get you a bucket to catch the rest of it. Anyway, turn that off. Take the nut, screw it completely off. When you screw that nut off, this will be nice and loose. You take the new one, you push it back in, tighten that nut up right there. You're going to have a nut. You're going to tighten that up. That makes it stationary right here. Make sure you change that black gasket that's right there. My finger's directly on it. So that way you won't leak. Most new fluid masters come with it. Then all you have to do is you connect this black little hose back to it. If it comes with a new one, just use the new one. You will push it on right here. It will come over here. It might be rubber. This one's plastic. And then you just snap it right on top of here. Let me see if I can get it zoomed in. As you can see, you just push it right here. Turn the water on and let it do its own thing. These are some tips. If you need some more household repair tips, I'll be more than happy to continue making videos of how to do outlets, heating and air conditioning, putting in fixtures, blah, 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 or giving you diagnosis of your fan. Alrighty then. I can do other things inside the house to save yourself a lot of money. Doorbells, blah, 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 blah. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. And remember, you are awesome.